Welcome, students, to a new day with a new chapter of Social Science, lesson number 9, our economic system. Now, students, what is our economic system? An economic system is a system of production, resource allocation, and distribution of goods and services within a society or a given geographic area. Now let's enrich ourselves and understand the informative and interesting journey of a rupee through this chapter. Now, students, have you ever thought that money issued from bank returns to the bank, or about the economic activity your parents are involved in, or about the different ways in which the income of your family is used? Well, based on these questions, let's learn and enhance our understanding about the topic. The economic activities are mainly divided into three sectors. The first one is primary sector, second one secondary sector, and third one is service sector. The sector providing raw material for food commodities and industrially manufactured goods is known as primary sector. Forest, mining, animal husbandry, fisheries, etc., that provide raw material for food and industry are included in primary sector. Certain primary products can be used only after they have been processed into a finished product. Such economic activity is called the activity of the secondary sector. Well, children, the secondary sector is also known as the manufacturing sector, which includes small and large scale industries, manufacturing machineries, units manufacturing electrical equipments, consumer goods, chemicals and dyes, clothes, defense equipments, etc. The third one, service sector, is also known as the tertiary sector. The primary and secondary sectors cannot function without the tertiary sector. Means of transportation and communication, education, health, banking and insurance companies, travel and entertainment, cooking gas, electricity services, etc. All these are included in the service sector. Well, students, there is one table which is given in your textbook on page number 72. Example of economic activity. You can read those examples and fill up the table according to your understanding. Okay? Well, in modern times, internet, ATM, call centers, software companies, etc. have also become important services. Well, the economic activities are also classified on the basis of ownership. They are number one, government ownership or public sector. Number two, private ownership or private sector. Third one is joint sector. And the fourth one is your cooperative sector. Now we are going to learn about these sectors or on the basis of ownership. The first one is government ownership or private sector. Industries that are owned by the government and run under government policies are known as public sector industries. For example, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, in short we say BHEL, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, that is ONGC, then one of Bhilai Steel plant is also one of the examples of government ownership or public sector. Next comes private ownership. Industries that are owned and run by private owners are known as private sector industries. For example, Reliance Industries Limited. Third one is joint sector. Industries that are owned and run by both the government and private owners are known as joint sector units. The government enjoys greater control in these ventures. One of the examples is the Maruti Udyog Limited. Fourth one, cooperative sector units. When individuals who are not economically sound pool their resources and form a group for business purposes, their venture is termed as a cooperative sector unit. For example, the dairies and sugar factories are examples of this sector. You can give the best example is Anand Milk Union Limited, or Sudha Dairy is also one of the examples of cooperative sector. Now students, we have come to an end of the first session of this chapter. We will continue this chapter in our next session. Till then, read the chapter thoroughly, watch and listen to the video given to you properly. Have a nice time. Thank you.